asshole!
No, you listen, you little bitch. You hang up on me again, I'll gut you like a fish, understand?
I'm Retire Hacker, and this is Freebies TV. Today's tutorial is Opal. What is Opal? Google. Opal is an experimental no-code platform from Google Labs that allows users to build, customize, and share AI-powered mini-apps using simple English prompts. It creates visual, multi-step workflows that can automate tasks, such as content creation or data analysis, by chaining together AI models and tools, and is now integrated into the Gemini web app. So today we're going to create an application to generate AI videos using the Google engine VEO3. But first we're going to check the positives and negative sides of the application that we're going to create. Positive sides. The videos will be unlimited and free. The prompt or text to make them will be much easier. The application will generate videos faster, and you will see the progress. There will be no generate videos cancelled because the server is full. So, if the generating video is cancelled, is due a restringent that you put on the prompt. For example, real celebrities, characters with copyright, and explicit violent or sexual content. Or the negative side. Negative. You are limited to a quota of 8 videos a day. So if you make the first video at 1 p.m. in 24 hours, you will have the quota of 8 videos again. So let's start with the basics. How to enter in Opal. Use this link. So the Opal for now is exclusive to United States, and I'm not in United States. How do I do? Put your VPN connected to a server in United States. If you don't have a VPN, iTop VPN offers 5 free VPNs for free. 3 are from United States. If you don't know how to use it, there is link to iTop VPN tutorial in the description. Remember to turn on the VPN in United States each time you use the Opal. Now is ready to work. You have to provide a real mail. Don't worry, Opal is not going to bother you. You only need to use it to confirm the registration, and that's it. So, we're inside the Opal now. You will see different templates to create apps in a matter of seconds. But we are here to build our application, so we'll create from scratch. I will click on Create New, and this is the interface to create applications. You have to write the prompt for our app here. The copy-paste will not work in Opal, so you have to do everything by hand. My prompt is ready, and I think you will find that it is easy to work. I will leave the prompt for the application on the description. Copy the description and paste it in another place, because you're going to need it in the beginning until you get used to work with the app. The prompt is ready. Now click here to generate the app. After the app is generated, it will be saved on your account, so don't worry. You only have to do this once. Now this.
Now just a minute to talk with you about Freebies TV Discord channel. Most of you know that this channel used to provide licenses for applications from iTop, iAbit, ESET, or Avast VPN. We continue to provide this licenses in our Discord page. Plus we are also sharing games for PC and games for the PlayStation 2 emulator. The link for our Discord channel is in the description. But we are only accepting subscribers. And if you appear in the Discord page without being a subscriber, we'll kick you out.
As I said earlier, save the prompt of the application. This is for you to remember the moods: cinematic, dark, emotional, happy, dramatic, suspenseful, inspirational. And the visual style: ultra-realistic, photorealistic cinematic, anime style, 3D animation, documentary style, sci-fi futuristic, vintage film. Although in the application prompt is 4, 8 and 12 seconds, the 12 seconds will not work, so stick with 4 and 8 seconds. Let's continue. As you can see, the video app is ready, and it has all the required nodes where you enter your video prompt, describe the mood, visual style, set duration, and upload a reference image if needed. To use the app, what you have to do is click on Start, and it will ask you to enter a video idea. I'm going to type a young child riding a massive dragon flying over snowy mountains at sunrise, then submit. Now we have to describe the mood, so I'm entering cinematic. After submitting, it will ask for visual style, which is photorealistic cinematic in this case. Then enter the video duration, say 8 seconds, since it is the standard duration for Google VEO3. The reference image is optional, so I will skip that and submit. This is how the app operates. It gathers all the input information from these nodes and crafts a video idea, then feeds it into this for a refined video prompt, which after that directs into this node to generate the video, and then displays the result. As you can see, the video is ready, and it is exactly 8 seconds long. Let's watch it. The video looks great, and it is generated with sound and no watermark. To generate another video, click here. My idea is a red sports car racing at high speed through a futuristic neon-lit road at night. The mood is dramatic. For the visual style, I am typing sci-fi futuristic. I will set the duration to 8 seconds again, and this time I am uploading this as the reference image, then submit. The video has been created. Let's have a look. Let's generate another video, and this time we shall switch to a different visual style. The prompt is 2 samurai warriors facing off and clashing swords in a dramatic duel. The mood is suspenseful, and for the style, I want an anime style. Again, I will set the duration to 8 seconds and will not add any image. It will be purely text to video. Then submit. Here is the result. This is how you generate free AI videos with sound without paying for any subscription. Try it out today, and if you found it helpful, like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. Happy creating!